Good morning and welcome to Beamish Museum. As you can see by the tram going over my shoulder. If you're wondering what's going on with my voice, I have a terrible cold and a bit of a chest infection, and it's freezing today. But anywho, we're here at Beamish for the 12th night of Christmas celebrations. So we're going to see what's going on. I think they've got some festive food going on or displays, can't eat it, in Pockley Hall and a couple of houses. Oh, look, that's some behind me, that's better. Time to get this horrible hill climb out of the way. Oh, it's chilly. And there's a cold biting wind, and there's nothing really to stop the wind from hitting me. Oh. So here at Pockley Old Hall, this is where the majority of the 12th night of Christmas celebrations will be. And you can see there's a traditional Yule log in the window.
Right there.
Morning.
Morning.
Diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun. The dish ran away with a spoon. Oh, the dish ran away with a spoon.
Gonna head into the Drovers Tavern. See if there's anything going on in here. So there you go, folks. That was Pockley Old Hall. As you saw, music, merriment, and a food display. We're going to head to the Old Town now. have a look in the houses there, see if there's any displays there. Then I know there's something on display in the pit village, and I think that's about it. We may go and have a look at the elves again, walk through the elves trail. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. How cold is it, you say? Yeah, that's a frozen puddle. Look at the ice on that. When I aim this right, because the sun's behind me, if I do that, look. So yeah, my ears feel like they're frozen solid. Ah! And my voice is getting deeper like Barry White. Yeah! So I'm cutting through the 1950s town rather than walk around the outside there. It's far more interesting going this way. Some big crowds though. Before the fish and chips, is it? Yes, it is. Looks like there's been some fresh tarmac and put down. Time to be lazy. I'm going to catch the tram back up to where Pockley Hall is, walk through the elf trail and then into the pit village, because there's a display there as well, apparently. But unfortunately they've only got one tram run and we've just seen it on camera there, so I've got to wait for it to do the whole loop to come back to me. Wah, wah, wah.
The 1950s.
Yeah. 100 years ago, shipping, got the metal workers, all clever lads. And what they started to do was to make themselves extra money. And the milestone cut-off on the workbenches started making themselves forged coins. But back in those days, if you was going to accept then those forged coins, the tram company took that money and they paid back at the end of the week. So you gave the coin to something you thought, something alright, a little dodgy, this, a bit light. You then put in the coin net and attempt to bend it. If it was mild steel, the forgery, it would bend very easily. The real coin, because it contains nickel, you ever tried bending a real coin?
Yeah.
Your arms like Pockley, didn't you? You can't do it. So that conduct in you, if that coin bent, you were good. Forgery. If it didn't bend, really good. Coin mets, that's what they're called, coin mets. So the moral is, you never too walk. Every day. You ready, Josh?
I'll take it.
Just going to cut through the colliery and head to the pit village. I am frozen to the bone, so I hope you appreciate this, people. So do me a favour, hit like, hit subscribe, share this video, tell your family, tell your friends, comment, do all the good stuff to try and get the algorithm, YouTube's algorithm, to pick this video up. So I'm decided to get myself a corned beef pasty from the bait cabin there. See if this warms me up. Doubt it. Bloody freezing. And there's a 12th night of Christmas festive display with all the food.
No, I've got 20.
So they say you couldn't call the kids he or she. No, you can't make any social. Yeah. What do you say?
Well, folks, I think that is all of the 12th night of Christmas celebration. I keep saying 12 nights, but it's not. It's the 12th night of Christmas celebrations. And I think that's all the displays seen now and done. So I'm going to wait for the bus. I've just seen it leave, typical, and they only run one bus service. So I'm going to wait for the bus, head back up to the entrance, and I'll see you up there. Well, you're going to see the bus and everything too. Well, folks, in fact, I'm going to get myself in here, out of the wind. Plus, it's a lovely backdrop. Well, folks, that's it for the 12th night of Christmas celebrations here at Beamish. And it's also the last video I'm making of 2025, because tomorrow is 2026 when this video will be released. So that being said, see you all next year. Hit like, share, comment, do all that good stuff. Now it's time to do your job. Oh yeah, and Happy New Year.